Yep. Good fish right there. Yep. Good one. Good one. Came up and ate that. You guys keep casting. Go ahead, Travis. There's probably more. Yeah, I'm good. You guys keep going. There's probably more. He had no hesitation. He's not huge, but he's good fish. No, I don't think so. I think I got him snagged. Yeah, he's foul hooked.
What you got? The same rule as the one I got?
Yeah. I'm pulling him backwards. I think. Yeah. That's why he felt bigger. He hit it, but no, he's probably 25. Sorry, buddy. I want to get you off of there. It's just, he's just hooked around his tail. It would come off. It's not even like in him. Stop it.
His mouth is on the back. He's trying to eat it with his tail.
I guess it is through his tail, but he came up and rolled on it, slapped on it. All right, buddy, sorry. Nice. You're good. Felt bigger because he's on his tail, dragging me. All right, boys, dust the skunk off.